Hey guys, it's Mallard with another stamp video, and today I'm going to show you guys what a single line watermark and what a double line watermark looks like on identical stamps. We got two stamps look the exact same up here. One Ben Franklin that has an awesome double line watermark. Let's get into it. Now, when you're looking for watermarks, you should probably know what a double line watermark looks like and what a single line watermark looks like. This first sheet of stamps up here represents the double line watermark. As you can see, the letters are not like 3D, but they definitely have two lines in the letters, the USPS, across the sheet of stamps. The tricky thing with some of these is sometimes you can get a really good one, a really good S, so you can see two lines, but other times you're going to get this U right here. You might think it's a single line, but it's actually a double line. So you just got to be really, really careful when you're looking for double line watermarks. Again, you can get really lucky, get a U, perfect S, perfect P. That is kind of hard, I've found out. Usually you get a lot of pieces of stamps, so that's what a double line watermark will look like. Coming down here, we got single line watermarks, and these are pretty easy to identify just because it is a single line. It looks like someone wrote it with a pencil most of the time, and a lot of times you can get a pretty good P on there, pretty good S on there. They're smaller in size. The letters are not as big, so they are easier to find on individual stamps. With saying all that, let's get into actually finding out what watermarks look like on real stamps. Now that we know what a double line watermark and a single line watermark looks like, let's see what they look like on real stamps. So as you can see, the two stamps up here, they are identical. They look the exact same. Perf 12. The only difference in these stamps is the watermark on the back. So let's go on and figure out what these watermarks look like. We'll put that one in there. We'll put that one in there. All right, so as you can see, I already see watermarks. I, of course, had to make sure I had a single line and double line watermark together. So as you can see, if I just pull this closer to you guys, I want you to guess which one is a single line and which one is a double line. Now you can see the P on the right, let me hold it with this hand so I can use my tongs to point. The P on the right, super defined, single line watermark, no question. Now this double line watermark is a little more faded. Let's see if I can get some more lighter fluid on there. It's a little more faded, but is an S right here. An S right there. You see two lines, you see how it curves. You see that is a bigger line or a bigger letter in general. Let me get a little more lighter fluid on there. And I'll pull these up really close and hopefully get a nice picture for you guys. But yeah, that is a single line watermark on the right and a double line watermark on the left. Now, I wanted to use two identical stamps in order to show you that that's the only way to identify stamps besides the perforations. And so I did bring this Ben Franklin right here. And I think this one has a better watermark for double line watermarks. So I wanted to show y'all that. This is a kind of a learning curve. You get better at it as you go, but this is definitely way better. Do you guys see that P on the left side there? We got a double line watermark P right here, and then we have a single line watermark P on the right side. I feel like this is pretty obvious if you can look and you can see it. You see the two lines with the P up there. You see the single line with the P right there on the right side. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys can now identify watermarks on stamps. Again, single line on the right, double line P on the left. And as always, appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching.